Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our school building. We are so excited to have you to come back. We have missed you so much. Things are going to be a little different when you return to the building. And so we made this video so that way you can understand what to expect when you return to school.
I'm Ella Sullivan.
I'm Samuel Levine.
I'm Anthony Garcia.
I'm Charlotte Moffett. I'm Vera Weeman. This is the front entrance. You probably won't be coming in here though. Each classroom will have, or each grade will have their own door. Over here is the office. And over here is the nurse's office, where they can help you if you're hurt. Hi, so at school, these water fountains will not work, but if you bring a water bottle to school from home, you can put it under here and it's sensor activated, so it'll be your water.
This is the gym hallway. You could only go one way, which is that way. Okay, so this is the hallway where you could go to the cafeteria, and then you have Miss Pasternak right here, and then you have Mr. D right across, and then you can only go one way, which is this way.
Hi, I'm Ella Sullivan, and I'm here to tell you about this is the first grade hallway, and follow these arrows to the first grade classrooms and going into the school building, and make sure to, whenever you're walking down, to look at them. And at the end of the hallway, this is the big door.
This is the hallway for 3rd and 4th grade. And then there's also a first grade classroom, and then a water fountain where you can fill up your water bottle.
Hi, this is the kindergarten hallway. We can only go one way, which is this way. And in the morning, all of the kindergartners will enter through that door. This is the gym. This will be where you do PE. All other specials will come to your classrooms.
This is the boys and girls bathrooms. Your teachers will give you bathroom breaks throughout the day. You can find bathrooms throughout the building on most of the grade hallways, and there can only be 3 people in a bathroom at a time. And also, before you go in, make sure you're going into the right one. So read the labels. Also, there's a water fountain right there.
Hi, this is the cafeteria. You must wash your hands in the classroom before entering the cafeteria. Masks will not be worn while eating. Classes will also be staggered. You cannot walk around, but you may raise your hand if you have to use the bathroom. And notice the desks.
This is like the playground, and over there is the other playground. And you must wear a mask. You must stay 6 feet apart. There will be zones, and you cannot share equipment. And also, there
hallway. When you're walking in the hallway, make sure to follow the directions on the signs. This is the down stairwell. When 4th grade comes in the morning, they are able to go up the stairwell, but then for the rest of the day, it's a down stairwell. This is the 3rd grade stairwell. This is where the 3rd graders will come in the morning. And throughout the day, anybody who goes upstairs will go up the stairwell. If you're a car rider, you're going to be going on the 4th grade stairwell. If you take the van, you're going to use these doors. And if you take the bus, you're going to go through the 3rd grade stairwell.
When you're walking in the hall or in your class,
There's a big favor that we have to ask.
for the health and safety of your sisters and bros,
You'll need to cover your mouth and your nose.
you just put on your mask. It's so easy and fast. Come on, it's a blast. And then go wash your hands.
Put on your mask. Put on your mask. Put on your mask. 1st grade says, put on your mask.
Put on your mask. Put on your mask.
Put on your mask. Put on your mask. Put on your mask. Put on your mask. Put on your mask when you come back to school. Put on your mask. Cover your nose. Don't forget to wash your hands.